In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Roblox. So head over to your Roblox application, whichever you're using, whether mobile or desktop, and head over to your settings. For the mobile, you're going to click on More at the bottom menu. Scroll up and click on Settings. Click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. So right here, you have Visibility and Private Servers. Click on it. Click on Visibility again, and here you have Online Status. You're going to click on No One so that no one can see your online status. As you can see, automatically the other related setting has also been turned to No One. Head back and then click on Communication. Click on Experience Chat. So if you don't want to chat with other users, then click on No One. Go back again, go to the Party section and also click on No One. So when you do all of these settings, you are going to appear completely offline and you will be unable to participate in parties. So if you are trying to activate this for your child, you can just go ahead and follow these steps to activate your settings to appear completely offline.